Hi guys, welcome back to Quick Watch on Hunger Pangs with Simran. Today I'm going to show you all how to make some really tasty suji ka halwa along with some quick tips. So let's begin. So step number 1, in a pan add in 1 teaspoon of ghee, and to that add in some broken almonds, raisins and broken cashews. Usually people don't fry raisins in ghee, but I feel it gives a lovely flavor. And by the way, this is half a cup altogether. So this is done. It took me 1.5 to 2 minutes to brown them, and now I'll just remove them in a bowl and leave the bowl aside. Next, in the same pan, add in half a cup of suji. Roast this slightly on low to medium heat. Now again, everybody has a different take on this halwa. This is how I have seen my mom make it, and it turns out amazing. It's just beyond words. It should become light brown in color. I'm using raw suji, but if you have roasted suji at home, you can just move on to the next step. And then add in half a cup, that's the equal amount of ghee as suji. This wonderful smell of suji and ghee roasting together is just heavenly. I have grown up with this smell coming out of the kitchen at my place, and it just means festivity. It means pujas are here. And you've got to admit guys, this is the go-to sweet dish for all our moms at all our homes. So this is done. It's well roasted and lightly browned. Now we need to add in 1.5 cups of boiling hot water to this. Again, this is a very helpful hack to avoid any lumps in the halwa. This makes it really smooth and silky. Keep mixing it with your other hand. This is gonna splutter a lot, but don't give up. It's all fine. Motivate yourself because the final product is totally worth it, you guys. The size of my measuring cup is of half a cup, so I'm gonna add water thrice, and that makes it 1.5 cups. Keep mixing it and then cover it and let it boil on low to medium heat till the water reduces to half before adding in the sugar. Okay, so now that's done. The water has reduced exactly to half, and now I'm going to add in half a cup of granulated sugar to this. Mix it and cover it for 5 minutes. Basically, the secret to make the world's best suji halwa is to add the same amount of ghee, suji and sugar. That's 1:1:1, and 3 portions of water. So this is ready. As I said earlier, this smells heavenly. I just cannot control myself right now. I have added in the dry fruits. We just need to mix it and then it's ready to serve.